In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. Before we jump into the actual clicks, it's important to understand what we're doing. A reconciliation is the process of matching what's in QuickBooks with what's on your bank statement. When you undo a reconciliation on a transaction, you're basically telling QuickBooks, this item is no longer considered reconciled. You'll usually do this if something was reconciled by mistake, or if you later discover an error in the amount, date, or account. Let's walk through this step by step. First, look to the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen and click on the gear icon. This opens up a menu with a lot of different setup and list options. From this menu, choose Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is where all of your bank accounts, credit cards, and other ledgers live. Once that page opens, find the specific bank or credit card account that contains the transaction you want to fix. When you've located it, move over to the right-hand side and click on View Register. This opens the account register, which is like a digital checkbook, showing all of the transactions that have gone in and out of that account. Now, scroll through the register and locate the exact transaction you want to unreconcile. You can use the filters or the search bar at the top if you know the date, amount, or description. In the checkmark column, you'll see a letter next to each transaction. If a transaction has been reconciled, it will have an R in that column. Click directly on that R. When you click it, it will change to a different letter or symbol, and if you click again, it will eventually become a blank box. Keep clicking until the box is completely empty. That blank box means the transaction is now unreconciled. Take your time here and double-check that you're working on the right transaction, because changing reconciled items can affect your reports. After you've cleared the R and the box is blank, click Save to confirm the change to the transaction. QuickBooks will then display a warning message telling you that undoing a reconciled transaction can cause your reconciliation balance to be off. This is normal. If you're sure this is the transaction you need to unreconcile, go ahead and confirm that you want to proceed. Once you confirm, the transaction is no longer reconciled, and you can now correct it or include it in a future reconciliation as needed.